Hi, Jen Taylor again. So you're like, I want a masterclass about offboarding and onboarding and offboarding. Why should I go to this? If you're asking, then you might have to. So it's a great way to automate your processes. And this is the easiest, this is the first thing they see, and maybe the last thing they see from your business. And having it be just in sync with who you are and how you do business is great. You're like, oh, but it's so much automation. No, well, yes, it is, but it's also personalized. People don't know that I'm not. I mean, I get responses back from an automated email. Oh, that's so nice. I can't wait. It's an automated email. So I'm going to give you my tips and tricks, but I'm also going to tell you it's a great way to automate your business so you don't have to be figuring out when you're going to call them, when you're going to do this, when it's all done. It's for you. They can do it themselves. They know how to do it. They're going to expect you to have those things going. Make sure they can pay, and they can pay you without even talking to you. That's amazing. So this is for you if you are one, doing everything manually, or two, you have no clue on onboarding and nothing on offboarding. Let me help you get those things tightened up. So when those phone email starts ringing, that automation of that onboarding starts, and you just have to wait and have them say yes and get those meetings in place. Because I mean, it's not all just automation. You're still going to meet with them, but what does that look like? How does that feel? Especially through Zoom, all that fun stuff. So this is for you if you have no processes around your onboarding and offboarding, and you want some tips and tricks on how to make that easier for you because it's scary. So I hope to see you there. Bye.